Hi Bitcoin Wise members, it's France, it's the 20th of April, so between the long weekends, and today I want to just speak to you out of my heart because I know the road hasn't been easy, and sometimes you ask yourself, is it still worth your while? But remember, why did you join Bitcoin Wise? It's because you want more in life. You want to have hope, you want to create a passive income and change your life. So I can tell you, Bitcoin Wise is alive and we are going places. So today I want to share with you, um, first of all, that Cellbucks has managed to do a direct integration with Total and with Spur. So we're just waiting for those two head offices to confirm, or they're gonna activate all their stores at once, or are they going to want the owners of the franchise to activate it themselves? So I will keep you updated with that. But I just want to share with you today that maybe you haven't think about it this way. Um, we've got over 17,000 members. All right, yes, we did delete some of them. So let's say, worst case scenario. I just want to give you round figures so that you can understand the power of Bitcoin Wise. So let's say we've got 10,000 active members who are spending an average of 2,000 Rand a month for 12 months. And if you times that, um, we actually will have a buying power of 200 an average. I'm talking about an average. Um, you will have, or Bitcoin wise, will have a spending power of 240 million per annum. Now, our target is to reach 100,000 members by the end of this year. And that is just the few of people that are still active and are getting other people to join the business. Myself, my marketing team, head office team, plus the other people that I'm working with. So should we reach 100,000 people and they all just spend 2,000 Rand a month for 12 months, we're talking about 2.4 billion rands of buying power. That means that we can walk into Spar head office and they will not say no. We can walk into Pepkor, it's already been integrated on Cellbuck system, and they will activate it immediately. The same with Massmart. It's already, the integration has already been done. Actually with Spar as well. So we just need to show them that we've got the buying power, and they will immediately become merchants, active merchants, for you to be able to shop at them. So I'm just sharing this with you today so that you can think for yourself that you have joined something unique, something special, something that doesn't cost you anything per month. All you need to, if your battery is flat today, just use the system and you will still make a change in Bitcoin Wise. You will still make a change in your life and everybody else. So let's motivate everyone in our network, everyone that you can get access to. Share with them that they must just at least spend and use the wallet system. And now we've got cards available. So it's so easy. So from myself and head office, I just want to say thank you to everybody that are doing their part and growing Bitcoin Wise. Remember, we're already at a stage where Bitcoin Wise will never be able to close their doors because we've got already enough people that are using the wallet system. If we can motivate the rest of the people to use the wallet system, that's already in the network, that's without the new people that we're bringing on board, man, your dream will come true. I promise you. But thank you very much. From myself, Frans Swanepoel, we really appreciate every one of you. Thank you. Have an awesome day.